Did Muhoozi say he would kill Jimmy Akena? Claims have circulated on social media alleging that Muhoozi Kainerugaba threatened to kill Jimmy Akena following critical remarks made during a press conference. This fact check examines what was actually said, what was reported, and whether there is verified evidence supporting the claim. During a press conference, Akena strongly criticized Muhoozi's conduct on social media. He described certain behaviors as diabolical and satanic, arguing they showed no concern for Uganda's national interest. He also challenged Muhoozi's public statements about fixing Kampala, questioning why such reforms had not already been implemented given the government's long tenure under Yoweri Museveni. Akena further argued Muhoozi to use his influence within government structures rather than hiding behind people and posting insults online, concluding with the remark, "Grow up, young man." These comments are on record and were covered by mainstream media.
The other issue which I must raise about the CDF, and I think here in Uganda people are a bit scared to touch on this issue. The office you hold is a very high office. And the fact that you are son of a president, you must also watch your words and your actions. The sort of attitude and the sort of statements which have been coming out of the office of the CDF is an embarrassment to all of us as Ugandans. I must put this one clear on record. It's an embarrassment. How can you talk about torturing or killing a person who stood in a presidential election and had a backing of over 2 million Ugandans according to the Electoral Commission? A leader of a party which has representation in the Parliament of Uganda, the leading party in Uganda, and you want to treat it like, or treat the leader like some sort of punk? Honestly, what's happening in Uganda? Let's be honest with ourselves. What are we doing or what are we saying? If nobody is going to do so, I am the one who's going to call out you, Muhoozi. Please grow up. Grow up.
Origin of the kill Akena claim. The allegation that Muhoozi threatened to kill Akena appears to originate from partisan or unverified social media posts, including one by an account identified as Rupeny Pakara, RPK. The post claimed Muhoozi suggested that if he could allegedly kill over 100 opposition supporters without consequence, nothing would stop him from killing Akena. However, no verified video, audio recording, official transcript, or confirmed post from Muhoozi contains such a statement directed at Akena. Verified media reporting. Coverage by Daily Monitor reported on Akena's criticism of Muhoozi, focusing on concerns about the appropriateness of the Chief of Defense Forces' social media conduct. In response to that coverage, Muhoozi did post a reply on social media telling Akena to shut up, Akena, an insult, but not a death threat, not credible newsroom, broadcast outlet, or verified Muhoozi platform has published a statement where he threatens to kill Akena. Context. Muhoozi's controversial post. Muhoozi has previously made inflammatory or controversial posts about political opponents, which often fuels viral misinformation. Old or unrelated statements are sometimes recirculated, edited, or misattributed to a new political disputes, especially during heightened political tensions. This environment increases the risk of fabricated quotes spreading quickly without verification. Verdict: false, unsubstantiated. There is no verified record of Muhoozi Kainerugaba threatening to kill Jim Akena. The claim stems from unverified social media posts, not primary evidence. Confirmed exchanges show Akena criticizing Muhoozi and Muhoozi responding with an insult, but not a death threat. In conclusion, while political rhetoric between the two figures has become muted, a specific allegation that Muhoozi said he would kill Jimmy Akena is not supported by credible evidence and should be treated as misinformation unless proven otherwise.